Question 1 has three parts, A, B, and C. For section A, we're looking to see if you know your order of operators and can understand decimal math versus integer math. So for int A equals 265 divided by 10, both of these numbers are ints, so we're going to be doing integer division here, which means that I move to divide by 10, I move the decimal point 1 to the left, giving me 26.5, and then I take off the 0.5. We're discarding the 0.5 because we're doing integer division. Therefore, I'm left with 26. For the next one, I'm doing 265 mod 10. This is also integer math. In this case, modding by 10 gives you the remainder part, so I have a 5. 23 divided by 2, so if I were to do this out the long way, I come out with 11.5. That decimal actually does get to go into C because C is a double. So 11.5 is my final answer. In this next one, I have 13 divided by 2, so I could do the math out again, or I could just remember that 6.5 times 2 is 13. So 13 divided by 2, if I did the math out, would turn out to be 6.5. That math is done with the decimal because of the 2.0. However, then I'm casting that to an int. So I lose the 0.5 and this becomes a 6. In this final question, you need to remember that division always happens before, division and multiplication happen before addition and subtraction. So this is what I have available here. I have to do the 50 divided by 3 first. So just for those of you who like to do long division out by hand, 3 times 16 is 48, so that's what we're looking for here. 1 times 3. Ugh, painful with the pen tablet. 6, 18, 2. Okay, so I have 16 with a remainder of 2. The reason why I know I need a remainder of 2 here is because I have 2 ints here, which means I'm not going to be taking the remainder at all. This part's a 16, and the other part, 5 times 8 is 40. So I have math that says 16 plus 3 minus 40. So I have 19 minus 40. So I've got negative 21. That's part 1A.